Hello, lovelies. So totally wasn't expecting it today, but my latest Elves box arrived. I think this is the April box. I don't actually know. It came fully bubble wrapped, like it was in a bag of bubble wrap. And so I haven't opened it yet. There's no tape holding it closed because it was in a bag of bubble wrap. And I figured rather than making myself wait and doing any research, I'm just going to open it up and you guys get to hear my incoherent happiness. Sorry about the disaster of the desk. I wasn't even expecting it, and I've been doing a lot of resin crafting getting ready for some conventions I've got coming up. So without further ado, let's find out what's in the box. For those of you who don't know, the Elves Box by Sophie and Toffee is a monthly subscription box that I have a paid subscription to. They don't send this to me for free. I'm just sharing all the nifty stuff I got. Okay, so this is the April box. That's good to know. And this is the crystal themed box. Something smells a little funny, so I hope nothing leaked. And here's the list of what is in it. I'm just going to hold that still. If anybody wants to actually get a screenshot of it, go for it, guys. All right, let's see what I got. So let's see, UV resin, thin type, which means it's going to pour really nicely and go into all those tiny crevices. That's exciting. Let's get that crap out of the way. All right, there we go. Let's see here, 2 clear color UV resin molds. So that would be this one and this one, which make little disco ball shaped crystal thingies. That was kind of something I remember seeing in the video. So that's 2 sizes. That's nice. That'll be a lot of fun to play with. And it looks like they're 2-part molds to make it easier to get stuff out. Let's see here. Yes. So it's a 2-part mold, so it'll be really easy to actually get my gem crystal thing out of it. You can get a better idea of the shape it'll make that way. Oh, it's got little spiky things, so it fits together super nicely. Those are really nice molds. Good job, Sophie and Toffee. Let's see here. 2 exclusive stand bases. That is this and this, because you make little crystal balls to put on top of them. I remember seeing that in the pictures. Let's see here. Translucent color. 2 colors? Translucent colors. Well, I got colors. So there we go. Colors. Oh wait, no, this is clear resin. Okay, so this is the clear resin. And then there's also the thin resin. So I got lots of resin and the stand bases. Silicone mold maker. I am super, super, super excited to play with this because I've had so many ideas that I wanted to make for shapes for resin crafting, and I was sort of a coward about it. So, ooh, and look at that. It's going to make clear mold, clear stuff. Exciting. I don't know what I'm going to do with that, but I might do it on video for you guys just so you can laugh at me. Let's see here. So silicone mold maker, small sphere, medium sphere. No, that was large and medium, and here's small. It's itty bitty. Look at that. Itty bitty mold. That's exciting. I like itty bitty molds. Those are fun too. Holographic butterfly confetti. Confetti. And holographic dolphin confetti. I'm not quite sure what I'll do with dolphins, but you know what? We'll make that work. And 2 high quality plated rings. Rings that I can then put the gems on. They're adjustable rings. Bleh. Okay. I don't know about you guys, but adjustable rings always, always, always like end up pinching my fingers. So I'm not super fond of them, but I can still make something pretty out of these, and you know, maybe I'll make something to sell instead. So that is what is in the Elves box. That is a really fun haul. I am going to have fun figuring that out. If you guys want to see me work with any of this stuff in particular, absolutely let me know. Really excited about these because, like, it's not pink and purple. Like, I love you, Sophie and Toffee, but everything you send me is pink and purple, and I'm not a huge fan of that color combo. So yes, I might have to play with this stuff separately. Wow, okay, that went a lot faster than normal, because I was able to go through the checklist and everything. So there we go, that's my April Elves box from Sophie and Toffee. As always, leave a comment down below if you want to particularly see me attempt to craft with any of these items. The quality of the crafting will, of course, depend on my luck, because if I'm using new stuff, I do make mistakes. I'm willing to make those mistakes for you guys, but let me know if you want to see me use anything in particular. Subscribe down below, check out my Patreon, check out my Facebook, and I'll see you guys on the internets.